Bum 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 bum.
Tomatoes?
Hello, welcome to video 4. What is the Player Camera Manager Stop Camera Fade? Let's run our quick little example here. And we have our normal fade out. As you notice, it'll go from clear to a solid black. Now, if we needed to stop it, maybe in the middle of it, we have our stop fade button, and that's going to immediately stop it. Let's go ahead and look at how this works. Well, the stop camera fade node is pretty simple. It is part of the Player Camera Manager. You can pull it off and look at our camera fades, and you'll find stop camera fade. And all it does is take in the camera manager for the camera we're controlling as a target. And it will simply stop the fade that is currently running on it. Now, the important part about this is if you were doing, let's say, a fade to black and you were done, the only way to get the camera back to the normal color is to run a stop fade on it. It's no clear camera fade. It is going to be a stop camera fade. And that's basically going to reset. It's going to remove any camera fade you've done. It's not going to stop. It's not going to clear it. But like, for example, if I was to go from an alpha of 1 to 0.1, very, very minimal. So it's going to go from dark to slightly light. There is still a camera fade here, even though you can barely see it. I need to make sure I run a stop fade after I ran a start, so I can make sure I cleared out any fade that may be there. So that is one thing that's important. It's especially important, well, it's actually only important when you have the hold when finished. If you don't have the hold when finished, like for example, I go from clear to solid, and I run it. When it finishes fading, it's going to automatically stop itself. So it's done at this point. But if you have it held, of course, and you hit play, now it's held. Camera fade is still running. We need to make sure we stop it. Not a very complicated node, but you need to know that the stop camera fade is the node you use if you've started a fade and it's in progress, or you're using your hold when finished because it's still technically there. So keep that in mind. You want to make sure, again, I'll reiterate this. Let's say you are simply fading in like this, and you've accidentally have your hold when fade on. Make sure you stop it. That's going to wrap up our stop camera fade node.